He thought boredom would destroy him, but for the first time in years, he could finally hear his own mind. He opened social media before even opening the curtains. Hours disappeared without him noticing. He watched other people living while his own life stayed frozen. One night he looked at himself in the mirror and felt empty. The next morning he did not delete the apps. Instead, he opened his camera. He decided to record his life instead of escaping from it. At first, nothing looked interesting. Just quiet mornings, silent rooms, and unfinished dreams. But he kept recording anyway. He filmed small things nobody noticed anymore. A bird sitting on a wire. Rain hitting the streets at night. Sunlight entering his room in the morning. And slowly he started noticing life again. He realized the world was never